Hi everyone, welcome to this video. Today I'll show you how to add a clock widget on your Mac, whether you're using a MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, or iMac. The steps are the same for all Mac devices. Let's get started. First, look at the top right corner of your menu bar where you can see the date and time. Go ahead and click on it, and the Widgets panel will slide open. From there, click on Edit Widgets at the bottom. If you don't see the date and time in your menu bar, don't worry. You can also swipe left with 2 fingers from the right edge of your trackpad, and the Widgets panel will appear. Alternatively, just click on the date or time at the top right corner of your screen. Once the Widgets panel opens, click on Edit Widgets. In the search bar, you can type Clock, or you can simply scroll through the available widgets and select Clock. You'll see different clock widget options, such as Display Current Time or World Clock. You can choose between small s and medium m sizes, and the preview will update as you select different options. When you've found the one you like, simply click the plus button next to it, and the clock widget will be added to your widgets panel on the right side of your screen. If you want to remove a widget, just click the minus button next to it, and it will be removed. Once you've added your preferred clock widget, click Done to save the changes. Now, every time you swipe left from the right side of your trackpad, or click the date and time in the menu bar, you'll see your clock widget. And that's it. You've successfully added a clock widget on your Mac. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more Mac tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.